Hi, this is Nita. Welcome to Talking Cookies by WeCookiers. And I'm going to mix it up a little bit with my videos, and I'm going to start including marketing tips. Give you 3 marketing tips per video. I do that with my periodicals that I put out each month, and it'll help you grow your business. And the object of these marketing tips are to market yourself for free or nearly free. So I hope you really get some good meat through all of this, or cookies. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, number 1 is doing a Facebook page. You are doing a Facebook page? Okay, and that is going to be very important for your followers. And this is, your customers can get to you easily through Facebook because most people use Facebook. But you do need a Facebook page, and you do need to be posting regularly on that. And just know that consistency is key to posting on Facebook. The more you post, the more Facebook will acknowledge you. And the more Facebook acknowledges you, the more Google acknowledges you. So be sure and get that set up and post regularly, okay? Number 2 is and I have my notes here so I don't forget, but is everybody loves free cookies, and that is the best way, number 1 way probably to get your name out is your cookies. Now, this is on the condition that you have a good product and it's something that people really want. It's got to be tasty. So, but also your decorating needs to be pretty good too. So, but I understand when you're starting out, you've got to learn, but hey, I did too, and I wasn't very good when I started, but you develop, so practice makes perfect. But hand those out to key players in your community, like the firemen, policemen, realtors, teachers, people like that are able to, they're in front of the public and they're able to talk about your cookies given a chance. So make sure you're giving cookies out, but make sure you're also putting them, in a sealed bag, heat sealed preferably. And I'll leave a link down below what heat sealer I have. I got it off of Amazon. That just works wonderfully. And you'll want to use, of course, the bags with your labels on them, like your ingredients. You have to have that, I think, by state law, by anybody, any state. But put your labels on them, and with your ingredients and your logo or your business contact. Definitely do that. I include a little QR code that they can scan to go straight to my Facebook page. So that's definitely something you need to do. Now, number 3 is, and you want to be careful doing this, especially in a library, but take some business cards and maybe just 1 or 2, and don't do it every day or anything, but just put it on the shelf here and there, and people are bound to look at them. Libraries are used a lot more than we think they are. And the other thing is, when you go to the grocery store or your favorite department store, take some flyers, some trifold flyers, and just kind of put them around here and there, very, very minimally, okay? But it still gets your name out. And of course, all your key information. I say, for grocery stores, I say a trifold flyer so you can print out some of your work so that they can actually see it, and maybe a coupon on that flyer to where to offer them maybe a free cookie or at least a discount on cookies. But those are 3 ways to market your business that are free or nearly free. I do have a shop online on my website, WeCookiers.com, and it is Shop Gotta Haves. You gotta have these supplies. Not all of them, but some of them are just ones. But I do sell thermal labels and thank you stickers, so you might want to toddle over there, and I'll do custom ones eventually, but I'm just getting started selling. But hopefully that'll help you, and until next time, I'm going to try maybe to do these videos excuse me, these videos at least once a month on the marketing, so that will help you, and I'll start evolving and things like that. But for now, this will be the top 3 for now. And like Pepper Blair said, find who you are and live it. And those are really good words, I think. So may you have a wonderful day, and God bless you. Bye-bye.